guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I'm going to share with you really delicious and easy recipe of Starbucks. So the name of the recipe is Starbucks Oat Milk Honey Latte Recipe. If you go to Starbucks, this drink costs around $6 for smaller size. So today you can make it at home and it's way cheaper than Starbucks. So let's get started with this dairy-free drink. So for this recipe we will need coffee or espresso shots, whatever you prefer. Then we will need honey, oat milk. This is freshly made oat milk, homemade oat milk. If you need a recipe, go and watch my previous video. I just share a recipe on how to make homemade oat milk. So this is oat milk. We will need a pinch of salt, very tiny pinch of salt, and vanilla extract, optional. So let's get started with the recipe. So first I'm going to add coffee or espresso. You can adjust according to your preference, how strong you like. Into that I'm going to add very tiny pinch of salt. This will brings out the flavor of honey. I'll add a little bit of vanilla extract. This is optional, a few drops. Into that I will add ice cubes to cool down coffee a bit. Now I will add honey. Again, adjust according to your preference. You can also use simple syrup, but since we are making Starbucks oat milk honey, I would like to use honey. Give it a quick stir before you add oat milk. And now I'm going to pour oat milk on top. Pour oat milk on top. Give it a stir. Make sure honey melts properly. So here is your very own dairy-free Starbucks oat milk latte, ready to enjoy. I hope you guys have enjoyed my recipe. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this delicious dairy-free Starbucks oat milk honey latte recipe video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, enjoy. Bye bye.